Entry doors installation in New Orleans is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Whether you're interested in custom entry doors New Orleans or need a front door replacement, our expert team in New Orleans, Louisiana is ready to assist. We specialize in a variety of door types, including wooden entry doors, steel entry doors, and fiberglass entry doors, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Door replacement services in NOLA are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your entryways. Our comprehensive door replacement services include door frame replacement, door jamb replacement, and door threshold replacement, ensuring your doors operate smoothly and efficiently. We also offer door refinishing and door painting services in Louisiana to restore the beauty of your existing doors. Energy-efficient doors in New Orleans are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Our selection of energy-efficient doors includes options for both entry and patio doors, helping you maintain a consistent indoor temperature. We also provide door sealing services in NOLA to enhance the energy efficiency of your existing doors. Door hardware installation in New Orleans is a key component of our services, ensuring your doors are both functional and stylish. From door lock installation to door hinge replacement, our team in Louisiana is equipped to handle all your door hardware needs. We also offer door security upgrades in New Orleans to enhance the safety of your home. Storm doors in Louisiana provide an additional layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. Our storm doors are designed to withstand the elements while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. In addition to storm doors, we offer a variety of patio doors in New Orleans, including French doors and sliding doors to suit your outdoor living space. Custom entry doors. New Orleans allow homeowners to express their unique style and preferences. Our team specializes in creating custom entry doors that reflect your personal taste while providing the durability and security you need. Whether you prefer the classic look of wooden entry doors or the modern appeal of steel entry doors, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Door weatherproofing in New Orleans is essential for protecting your home from the elements. Our door weatherproofing services include door sealing and door threshold replacement, ensuring your doors are well protected against moisture and drafts. We also offer door glass replacement in Louisiana to enhance the insulation and appearance of your doors. Entry door accessories in NOLA add the finishing touches to your home's entryway. From decorative door hardware to stylish door knockers, our selection of entry door accessories in New Orleans is designed to complement your home's aesthetic. We also provide door painting services in Louisiana to match your entry doors New Orleans with your home's exterior color scheme. Door security upgrades in New Orleans are vital for ensuring the safety of your home and family. Our door security upgrades include advanced door lock installation and reinforced door frames, providing you with peace of mind. We also offer door hinge replacement in New Orleans to enhance the security and functionality of your doors.